like Popeye. Money changing colors like Tada.
Hey, this is Joshua Jackson, the full quarter performance, and I'm here with Black Men's Beard for Beard Fit Wednesdays. Now, hey, today's topic is one that I know you all love, and one thing that I know I love because it helps my beard, and that's protein. Now, protein comes in different sources, and my main thing is to give you 3 ways of making sure that you're getting optimal protein in for beard growth. Our first tip when it comes to protein is make sure that you're getting meal prep in. I prep my meals every week, or I get my meals prepped from a certain company, so that way I'm able to get my meals in and that I'm able to eat enough protein during the day for my optimal body and beard growth. You heard me, for optimal body and beard growth. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is what? Use the scale. The scale is something that's so simple and so cheap, but it helps out so much with your meal prep because what? It helps you measure out the food. And for tip number 3, and the most important tip of them all, is what? The right choice for you. Now, the right choice for you may not be in beef. It may be in plant protein. It may not be in chicken. It may be in lentils. But at the end of the day, you're able to find something that best fits you because we're here for optimal growth and gains. This is Joshua Jackson, again, a full quarter performance. And as we always say, salute to the grind.